Okay, so we are going to make this video. Welcome everybody, and this video is made from my room. Hello, have a nice evening, and how can I please you with my presence? I have the ID and MPD, and this is Drake. He has the ID and
in
whatever he
in
has.
in ASPD, and we're not even mentioning the autism and ADHD and other shit. Let's just call it alphabet soup.
So he will ask me some questions, I will ask him some questions, and we will make this video talk between us.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna make this video about our experience with methadone.
I wouldn't do that
Okay. Uh,
for personal reasons.
our experience with beep.
You're just obnoxious. So let's go over again. I want you to talk about real things. I want you to talk about real stuff.
Okay. As for me, I never talk about my emotional pain and
This should be my questions. My
oh,
questions to you.
okay, your questions to me.
So how it feels like, Drake, to after that you said your question to me. So how it feels for you to never talk about your emotional pain as somebody who has SPD?
Um, I don't know how the ASPD works with it, but it, it makes me feel very lonely and I feel despair. Um, I don't share for a couple of reasons. One, pain's always been a very, very private thing for me. Two, a lot of my emotional shit gets all mixed together, and I can't really pick one thing from another, and
It's all wrapped up
so I don't really know what
to pick up.
to talk about. Yeah,
I would pick anything and just stick to that little tiny line, and then unwrap everything else.
yeah, it's just being able to identify any one piece of it because it's like soup.
You just need help because nobody else was there to help you with it.
Yeah, it's like soup. How do you pick one flavor out of the soup? Um,
So if it feels like that inside, it must be frustrating, isn't it?
Very.
So when you're frustrated inside, what we can do to make you feel better?
Well, there's all kinds of comfort things we can do for the frustration, but actually dealing with the problems, that's the tricky part, and I honestly don't know how to approach that.
Well, you have to tell me, like you told me, there is something stuck in between
Hmm.
and you can't say.
Right.
So you can't say what's inside. So I ask you a question. Do you don't know what your needs are? Do you know? Or you told me, sometimes I don't know what they are. Sometimes it's just that I can't say them and such things, right?
Right. Right.
So if it was some things that you don't know what it is, that will make a big mystery, right?
Right. Some
So,
Yeah, sometimes I don't really understand what my needs are. And I know that my needs are directly related to the emotional stuff that's bothering me.
okay, I would in that case hug you and wait for you to tell me first thing you have to tell me.
Okay. Um,
He rolled his eyes and coldly at me. SPD ever. Every SPD ever.
Didn't even mean to.
Didn't even mean to.
And yeah, and sometimes trying to say something just gets stuck, and it won't come out.
We heard that. We are trying to go further from there.
Go further from there.
So there must be a need somewhere deep in you, but we don't know which need it is. If I hugged you and told you it's fine, Drake, you can tell me.
That might make something happen. I don't know.
I won't disappoint you. I won't leave you. I won't tell you you're bad. I won't tell you nothing negative. I will accept you and I will never let go.
That makes me feel better.
So would that make you actually say?
I think so, yeah.
So this is some of the ways you can help your loved ones struggling with emotional regulations.
Yeah, apparently. So do you want to give it a try? See if I can pick out something?
Sure.
Well, no, sorry. Folks, we will continue this video after we charge the battery.